Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I filmed. I know work has been killing me, trying to find a balance between work and social life and family and YouTube and posting has been quite a struggle lately, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So I hope that you guys are not too mad at me for being away for such a long time. It's been a couple of months. I have been on Instagram posting still, but it's been hard for me to actually get back in the swing of filming things, but I'm trying to find a balance and a new schedule. So I hope that you guys still love me and support me because I still am here for you guys, and all of your sweet messages that I get on Instagram and Snapchat sometimes too really make me happy. So I just wanted to let you know that I love you guys and I appreciate you so much. So I'm back with skincare because you guys know I love me some skincare. So this is going to be the morning skincare routine. I'm going to do a nighttime one as well, but this is kind of my routine right before I go to work. I've got on like a jean shirt, little skirt, and a nice little cardigan because I'm about to head to work right now. But I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use in the morning time, how I use them, what I like about them, and I'll be listing them in the description bar down below as well. So stay tuned for the skincare morning routine video for the fall and winter time, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm laying my edges for the majority of this video. This is my real morning routine. So in the morning, I get up, I either get in the shower like I usually do, or just like wet my hair with some hot water. I smooth my edges down, lay them down, wash my face, brush my teeth, all that good stuff. So we're gonna get into the face washing right now, and I'm gonna start off with this Garnier SkinActive Gentle Sulfate-Free Cleanser. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. Next, I'm going to use this Garnier SkinActive Soothing Facial Mist. This is made with Rosewater. Y'all, I promise this video is not sponsored by Garnier. They do not know I exist, but they just have some really good products, and they're really inexpensive, and they're dupes for some of my favorite high-end skincare brands. Like this, to me, is a dupe for the Philosophy face wash that I used to use a lot, and I completely have switched to the Garnier one. And this kind of reminds me of the Mario Badescu, but with less irritation in my opinion. This is 99% naturally derived, so after I wash my face and pat dry, I just spray it all over my face. And it also has salicylic acid in it, so if you've got some acne, marks and scars, I recently had like a little breakout right here and some like under my chin, just like some hormonal breakouts, it usually takes them away. And next I use my Brightening Eye Cream from Skinfix. This is literally one of my favorite eye creams. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and it really helps me to look nice and refreshed in the morning. So I just put a little bit on my fingers, just tap it between my fingers like this, and just pat it under and around my eyes. And then I wait for it to dry a little bit before I move on with the rest of my skincare routine. So next I'm going to use this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I posted about this a while ago on my Instagram, and I've been using it kind of like as my base, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this cream. Next, on top of that, I'm going to use my It Confidence in a Cream, and I'm using this for quite some time now. I've posted about it for almost a year now. I've been obsessed with this stuff forever. So I kind of use the other cream just as like kind of like a nice watery base, and then this on top. So my skin is combination, and I feel like this really helps to balance it. So I use just a little bit on the center of my hand and then just massage it in like I do with my other creams. So right on top of that, for SPF, I go in with this Coola. It's the Sun Silk Drops, and I think I talked about this on my Instagram too. Everything I post about, I literally use. So this one is SPF 30, and I have a dermatologist now, and she told me that, you know, using SPF 30 is way better than like 15, SPF like 10, whatever, because SPF 30 is going to be the one that usually works for darker skin. So I just rub this all over my skin as usual, and she told me to use the sunscreen last, so that's why I do it in this order. And next I use my Pacifica Crystal Power HydroMist. just kind of like to set my skin and make sure that all of the creams kind of set in. It really makes a difference. This is really hydrating. It's for all skin types. Mine's a combination like dry and oily, so it's perfect for my skin. I'm gonna get the bottom of this, but I do have a new one that I haven't opened yet. So I just spray that all over and let it sit in. So next I'm going to continue my morning routine as per usual. I need to take this off and get ready for work this morning. I still have on a night shirt. So I'm going to continue to get ready and let you guys see a little bit of that process and come back and let's see how my skin sets. Skin set. It looks just nice and dewy and glowy, and I really love the skincare routine. It keeps my skin looking nice and youthful the whole day. So I will list all the products down in the description bar down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope you guys feel beautiful inside and out today because you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.